This is the Rolling Square Aircard, a cutting-edge wallet tracker and digital business card that boasts a super thin design with a CNC aluminium body and robust glass coatings, ensuring both style and durability. Utilizing the Apple Find My network, the Aircard provides real-time tracking and precise location updates for your wallet globally. In case your wallet goes missing, the Aircard's 105 decibels internal speaker can be activated through the Find My app or Siri, making it 20% louder than Apple's AirTag. The Left Behind reminder feature ensures you receive immediate notifications through Apple's Find My app if you accidentally leave your Aircard behind. But the Aircard is more than just a tracker, it's your digital business card. With a visible QR code and an NFC tag linked to your custom profile, you can share your digital identity seamlessly. The Rolling Square Aircard also offers RFID protection, IPX6 water resistance, and a battery life of up to 2.5 years, which is more than fair for the budget price of $38.